Turn your rooftop into a money-making machine. Discover the world of solar finance and learn how to profit from the sun's rays. With just a few smart investments, you can generate passive income and secure a sustainable financial future. In today's video, we'll tell you how exactly you can benefit from this opportunity. Invest in solar panel system. Investing in a solar panel system can be bright for those looking to lower their monthly energy costs, reduce their carbon footprint, and earn a return on investment. Not only is solar energy a clean and renewable power source, but it also provides a way for homeowners to take control of their energy usage and create their own source of electricity. Here are some key benefits of investing in a solar panel system. Homeowners can create their own electricity and lessen their reliance on conventional energy sources, which can have high energy prices, by installing a solar panel system. By employing solar energy, households can save between $1,000 and $3,000 per year on energy costs. Return on investment can provide a solid return on investment, with average payback periods of 5 to 10 years. The systems have a long lifespan, typically between 25 and 30 years, which means homeowners can continue to enjoy the benefits of solar energy for many years to come. Tax credits and incentives can take advantage of federal and local tax credits, rebates, and other incentives to offset the cost of a solar panel system. For example, the federal investment tax credit provides a 30% tax credit on the price of a solar panel system. According to some estimates, homes with solar panel systems can sell for up to 4.1% more than comparable properties without them, increasing the home's value. A solar panel system can help people lower their carbon footprint because solar energy is a sustainable, clean energy source. In fact, the average home solar panel system can offset the equivalent of 3 to 4 cars' worth of carbon emissions each year. Becoming a solar panel reseller can be an innovative and profitable business opportunity for those interested in the renewable energy market. Let's see how. Become a solar panel reseller. Becoming a solar panel reseller can be lucrative for those looking to enter the growing renewable energy market. With more and more homeowners and businesses interested in reducing their carbon footprint and energy costs, the demand for solar panel systems has never been higher. As a solar panel reseller, you'll have the opportunity to offer customers various products and services, from solar panels and installation services to maintenance and repair services. By partnering with a solar panel manufacturer or distributor, you'll have access to high-quality products, technical support, and training, which will help you to provide the best service possible to your customers. See here some of the key benefits of becoming a solar panel reseller. With the global push towards renewable energy, the demand for solar panel systems is rising. As a reseller, you'll have a broad market to tap into, with a growing pool of potential customers. Each sale will result in a commission payment to you, which can produce a consistent flow of passive revenue. The commission rate can vary depending on the manufacturer or distributor you partner with, but it can range anywhere from 5% to 20% of the sale price. Compared to starting your own solar panel installation business, becoming a reseller has a much lower overhead cost. This means you can get started with a smaller investment and still enjoy the benefits of being in the solar panel industry. With access to training and support from a manufacturer or distributor, you'll have access to training, technical support, and marketing materials to help you succeed. This can be especially helpful for those new to the industry or who need support building their business. Potential for growth as you develop your business. You'll have the opportunity to expand your customer base, increase your commission rate, and explore new products and services to offer your customers. With the correct information, investors can decide whether investing in a solar farm is the right choice for them and help drive the growth of clean, renewable energy. Invest in a solar farm. For individuals seeking to diversify their holdings, generate a return on their investment, and promote renewable energy development, investing in a solar farm can be a wise choice. Solar farms are large-scale solar energy facilities that generate electricity from the sun and feed it into the grid, providing clean and renewable energy to communities. Diversification can diversify your portfolio, as it provides exposure to the renewable energy market, which is less correlated to other traditional asset classes. This means that even if other investments are performing poorly, your investment in a solar farm may still perform well. Solar farms can provide a solid return on investment, with the potential for steady, long-term returns. The returns are typically generated through the sale of electricity to utilities and customers, which is usually priced at a premium to traditional energy sources. Governments worldwide are offering a range of incentives and subsidies to support the growth of renewable energy. For example, the Federal Investment Tax Credit provides a 30% tax credit on the cost of a solar farm. It can be scaled to meet the needs of communities and utilities, making them a flexible and scalable solution for generating clean energy. This means that as the demand for renewable energy grows, the size of a solar farm can be increased to meet the demand. A clean, renewable energy source that lessens reliance on fossil fuels and aids in reducing greenhouse gas emissions is solar energy. Investing in a solar farm can play a role in the growth of renewable energy and support efforts to combat climate change. Businesses may take advantage of the rising demand for energy-saving solutions and benefit the environment by concentrating on offering high-quality services and products. Offer energy-saving services. Offering energy-saving services can be a rewarding and profitable business opportunity for those looking to help homeowners and businesses reduce their energy costs and carbon footprint. Here are some key benefits of offering energy-saving services. As more and more people become concerned about the impact of their energy use on the environment and their wallets, the demand for energy-saving services is growing. This provides a growing market for businesses that offer energy-saving services and products. By helping homeowners and businesses to reduce their energy usage, you can help them save money on their energy bills. This can provide a compelling value proposition for your customers, as they'll be able to save money while also doing their part to protect the environment. Environmental impact can play a role in reducing greenhouse gas emissions and preserving the environment. This can be a rewarding aspect of the business, as you'll be helping to make a positive impact on the planet. Diverse revenue streams can be offered in various ways, from installing energy-efficient appliances and systems to providing energy-saving advice and training. This offers a range of revenue streams, which can diversify your business and provide stability. By offering energy-saving services, you can partner with other companies and organizations in the energy-saving industry, such as manufacturers of energy-efficient products, utilities, and environmental organizations. These partnerships can provide valuable benefits, including increased exposure, access to new markets, and revenue streams. Before going further in the video to discuss the importance and benefits of the solar energy business, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more exciting videos in the future. Solar energy business. Starting a solar energy business can be a good opportunity for entrepreneurs looking to be a part of the growing renewable energy industry and positively impact the environment. The demand for solar energy solutions is growing as more and more people become concerned about the impact of their energy use on the environment and their wallets. Take a look at some key benefits of starting a solar energy business. The demand for solar energy solutions is growing as more and more people become concerned about the impact of their energy use on the environment and their wallets. This provides a growing market for businesses that offer solar energy solutions. Cost savings can help homeowners and companies save money on their energy bills, providing a compelling value proposition for customers. By offering cost-effective solar energy solutions, your business can help customers save money while also doing their part to protect the environment. Solar energy solutions can be shown in various ways, from designing and installing solar panels to providing maintenance and repair services. This offers a range of revenue streams, which can help to diversify your business and provide stability. By starting a solar energy business, you can partner with other companies and organizations in the energy industry, such as manufacturers of solar panels and energy-efficient products, utilities, and environmental organizations. These partnerships can provide valuable benefits, including increased exposure, access to new markets, and revenue streams. With that, we reach the end of today's video. Comment down your thoughts in the section below. We'll catch you up in the following video. Until then, take care.